take some money.
It is currently 7 AM and we are on our way to Jintan Station because we are going to YangMingShan.
As usual, there's nothing underneath.
So after 50 minutes of bus ride, we have arrived at this place, which is YangMingShan bus
Station.
Now we are waiting for bus number 108.
眼里看只有人哟。
老逼。
你怎么往外跑？
银行就是我们已经摘到3条点了，可是我们在回途的。
Let's go!
You want to go underground?
Gotta climb back up again.
等下你们2个要从这边下去了。like a boy. Dude, my hair. Hello. We are out again. It's about 8-ish. We are walking to NingXia night market. Can you show the inside? No, this is
Yeah. Back at the hotel. These are our food moods. Oyster omelette, pork rice dumpling, sesame and peanut mochi, luro fan with egg, and what again? 麻油面线. Yeah. 麻油鸡面线.
麻油面线啊，That's 麻油鸡。
Oh.
That's 麻油面线。
What? What this one?
It's
This
not the
is
other one. It's 麻油面线 and 麻油鸡。
Oh. Oh, it still has this. This is yun.
Good ah. My colleague say good ah. 麻油啊。I'll bet this one really.
You shoots me in the leg. Still got a gun on you now, do you? Every stamper can't handle by himself. It needs my expert advice.